The Insta360 X6, Insta360's new flagship 360 camera, is here. And as you can see, Insta360 has made quite a few changes to its camera. The X6 has been significantly redesigned compared to the last three models. We'll be taking a closer look at the X6 body in a moment. But before that, I'd like to show you a series of shots. I've had the X6 here to test for a few weeks now and took it up into the mountains on a via ferrata at the weekend. Unfortunately, I can only show you a few short clips today, but as you can see, the X6 takes some excellent footage. These shots were taken in the Dolomites, and it goes without saying that these mountains look simply fantastic. The X6 proved ideal for capturing some very special angles. Whilst climbing and hiking, I wasn't forced to worry about framing the shots and could concentrate on climbing safely. That said, there are naturally a few things to note about these shots. I'm a relatively experienced climber, and this via ferrata isn't particularly difficult, even though it looks quite spectacular here. And very importantly, I securely fastened the camera and the stick to my wrist with a strap so that they couldn't fall and potentially injure someone. In any case, the X6 did a fantastic job, and I'm very happy with the footage. The dynamic range in particular is excellent. Incidentally, all these shots were taken using the standard settings and haven't been edited further apart from reframing. Right at the end of the video, I'll show you another shot taken in low light. Then you can see for yourself just how well the X6 performs in poor lighting conditions. But let's take a closer look at the body, and I can already give you some very interesting information about it. The X6 features 1-inch equivalent CMOS sensors, so it has completely new sensors compared to the X5. The X5 has sensors with a size of 1/1.28 inches. This means the X6 sensors are now significantly bigger, which can, of course, lead to advantages in low-light conditions. But as we know that the sensors are only one part of the image quality and aren't the sole deciding factor, the X6 has also been given a new AI triple chip for improved image quality. And I think for anyone who frequently edits their footage, it's important to note that the X6 also features iLok and is the first Insta360 360 camera to shoot in iLok with 10-bit color depth. I think this is an important feature that many have been waiting for. I can tell you much more about the specs at the moment. The X6 no longer has the very elongated shape of the X5 or X4. It's now slightly more rectangular and has become smaller and lighter overall. The new shape is particularly advantageous if you often want to mount a camera on a helmet or chest mount. It's also interesting to note that the X6 no longer has any buttons on the front. I can already tell you that in return, Insta360 has come up with something quite special when it comes to the user interface. I can't show you the details just yet though. And the X6 will feature a few brand new, special software features designed to make operating a 360 camera much easier. More on that in a few days. What would you like to see in a new 360 camera? Let me know, I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. The Insta360 X6 will be released on August 12th. There will be a detailed review on Insta360's new 360 camera then. And as promised, I can show you a short low-light clip to round things off. So give me a like as feedback if you found this video interesting. Stay tuned and see you next time.